Hey beautiful Tobians, how are you doing? Hope you're all okay. Happy Sunday. So guys, we got good news. So today, this Sunday morning, I'm going for a training. I have decided to start my own business. I want to become self-employed. So because of that, I'm going to be taking some trainings today. Well, that's my boss. Anyway, so I'm going for the training right now.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when
Hey guys, so I just got off the bus. Not because I am on my stop yet, but because the driver just decided to stop and says, yeah, this is his last stop. So I need to work now because there's no other bus today. It's Sunday. You know how it always is with Sundays. Anyways, this is the story. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys something. I think people are running. Probably this is why the bus decided to stop and not go through its normal way. Oh, let me show you guys it. There we go. Yeah, it should definitely be this reason. Alright, so back to me. Like I said, I have decided to start my own business, and not because I'm gonna be selling a product yet. I probably might later in the future, but for now it's lash business, which means I want to start lashing people. I want to start giving people lash extension. So, and to start that, I need to be qualified, I need to be certified, I need to go for some training to be able to do it properly. But there are a lot of tutorials online on YouTube that you can get, but I don't want to do that. I want to just, I paid for the training, so I'm going to be going right now. I'm on my way, obviously. So I want to put you guys along. I don't know if I can video the class process, but I hope I'll be able to do that so I can show you guys what's going to be going on. But there you guys go, people running. Anyways, yeah, so before we keep on going, if you guys are not yet subscribed to me, please do that right now and like this video with a thumbs up, and make sure you guys come patronize me. If you live in Glasgow, please come patronize me, because I'm gonna need you to patronize me, because I'm gonna need money. I want to start this. I'll tell you guys later why I decided to start my own business, though this is something I always wanted to do, but I'll tell you guys later. Guys, I just wanted to come back to you guys and say I think I have not arrived at my destination. Yes, so we're gonna start very soon. I'm not even in yet, but I'll show you guys what's gonna happen after now. In case if I still can't show you guys, I'll just, you know, make a voiceover later. Okay, this is Glasgow. Alright you guys, so I forgot to like show some part of the trainings, but this is the door I had to work on. I forgot to take picture of the door before I started the lashes, so I didn't take pictures, but this is me after I have inserted lash on the door. Okay, so it's just few, not that much, because we had to like put some lashes on the door before we have to work on human, on an actual model, not door anymore. So I'll show you guys my work later on the video, but yeah, I thought I would just let you guys know. I forgot to take some clips, forgot to show you guys, because you know, I just wanted to get the knowledge that I really need and not making YouTube videos, you get me. Hey guys, so that is me done with my training. Not to commit, the trainer was really nice. She was really good. She actually explained the things for us really detailed. She answered all of our questions, which is actually good. So she was actually good. The training was all nice. So before I continue to share my experience, I thought I would show you guys the before and after pictures of my work. This is my first time ever touching tweezers and inserting lashes. So I think I can actually do well. I mean, it was really difficult, but I mean, I'm not that bad. Have a look. I tried in it. I know I did. Now, talking about the lashes, guys, it's hard. I think lash techs need a lot of more gratitude, appreciation. That makes sense. I also think lash techs needs to be paid more. They need to be paid more because that course is hard. It's very, very hard, guys. I don't even know how to say it. Now, I think lash techs, they need to be paid more. They need to be appreciated more because, guys, it's not easy. Now, your back is going to be aching, your shoulder, your hands, okay, everything, your fingers. As for that, now, isolating is hard. Isolating the lashes, guys, it wasn't easy. I'm not even going to lie. So the question is, do I still want to proceed? Yes, I would love to proceed. I still want to proceed, but guys, I'm still in between the but. I mean, I will proceed, okay? But it's really hard. It takes time, isolating the lashes, putting the lashes. It all takes a lot of time. There was nothing easy about it. So right now I'm deciding if I still want to do it or not, but I'm going to order my stuff, start practicing, and see how it goes. If I want to continue or not, I've got my certificate as well. So yeah, and that's my mother. She's just walking, but that's her. She was really good. She was calm. I too, I was good. I was calm. It's honestly difficult. I think lash techs really need to be paid more for this hard work, guys. Let's get something to eat. We're gonna get something to eat now. Thank you. Ooh, smells nice. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, thumbs up, share it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you.
That's the boss.
Even when I'm with my boo,
Alright guys, so I'm just going to take my bus now. Got what I'm gonna eat, and this is disgusting.